On today's update, top analyst Michael the Poppe buying these three crypto assets as all season is imminent. In a new strategy session, the trader said he's anticipating dino coins or crypto that have been significantly moving a long time to start exploding to new heights against Bitcoin. The first crypto asset in the Pope name is Stellar against Bitcoin, XML/BTC, which the trader node has been knocking on the door of crucial resistance for months. Therefore, the next test of this resistance show is most likely going to push XML through the resistance through which a new bull cycle is going to start. The second coin the analyst has on his radar is decentralized finance, DeFi, or called DIA, which according to the Pope is also setting itself up for a bull rally against Bitcoin, DIA/BTC. He said DIA/BTC is targeting 17, which is 0.0017, and 2300, which is 0.00023 Satoshi, representing a potential gain of over 68% from its current value of 718 Satoshi, which is 0.000178. Therefore, assuming this one is going to hold above $3.60, I think $8 is next for DIA, but I guess there is way more. The third on the Pope buy list is SXP, the native asset of the crypto fiat swipe wallet. According to the trader, SXP has flipped its previous resistance of 6,000 Satoshi, which is 0.006, into a support, and is getting ready to go on a tear upward.